Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching CapCut on your PC and loading the project that contains the clip you want to edit. Once done, import the footage and drag it to the timeline so it sits on track 1. Make sure to zoom the timeline in enough to see individual frames and position the playhead where you need to place your first keyframe. These steps give you precise control and let you access the clip's animation controls immediately. With the clip selected, open the keyframe controls, either via the keyframe button or by pressing K, so you can add a point where motion changes. Next, click the small graph icon that appears. That opens the graph editor panel. Here you'll see curves for properties like position, scale, and opacity. Use the handles to smooth or sharpen motion, drag points to adjust timing. This is where precise easing and velocity changes are visualized and edited efficiently. To finish, preview your change with the spacebar and scrub the timeline to confirm the motion feels natural. Render a short section if playback stutters. If something looks off, right-click a keyframe to reset or delete it, then tweak handles again for cleaner easing. If you cannot find the graph editor at all, make sure CapCut is updated and toggle any advanced tools or experimental features in settings, then restart. That usually restores the panel without losing your project work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.